Hey guys, I'm showing you this Syma RC helicopter, this S51H remote control helicopter. This is a 2.4 gigahertz military army helicopter toys for boys, girls, kids with altitude hold, one key takeoff or landing or LED light, low battery reminder. So I will show you this one by one, and as you can see this comes in a really protective packing, and this is the helicopter. This is the RC remote. So this is the whole package content, and this comes the accessory bag. This accessory bag have this screwdriver, this charging cable, and an extra this rotor or the fan thing. So let me just open up this remote control with this supply tool, and then just I will show you. This required 4 batteries, AAA. This is the charging cable for the helicopter. So this helicopter is a rechargeable one, and here is the charging station thing. So just add in this, and this will go in the USB with the adapter. So now for the battery, I'm just putting in battery for the remote control. And now just checking if start or not, and then covering the back. So you have to pair this helicopter with the remote first before using it. So you can see like the blinking light on the remote, and you have to on the helicopter. Here is the lights, and the helicopter also start blinking. So once they are paired, see both lights will become solid. See, the both lights become solid, so they are paired now, and I just started it, and there is a one control takeoff that I will show you in outdoor as well. So see, like this is the one button takeoff, and this going really smoothly without any issue. The control is getting like the rotation up and down, right, forward, or anywhere you want to do. So it's really fun playing with this helicopter, and this one is, you can see, is going really good. And with the button, like one button, it will just come down and off on its own. See, it's really fun for the kids.